Can AI jets replace human pilots? The future of warfare is being debated, with artificial intelligence poised to play a key role. This video explores the possibility of AI-powered jets replacing human pilots, analyzing the potential benefits and challenges in this rapidly evolving field. Could robots take over the skies? Imagine a future where AI pilots fly fighter jets, making split-second decisions that could change the course of battle. This video explores the controversial world of AI in warfare and the potential for autonomous fighter jets. Growing up, I dreamed of flying fighter jets. But what if the pilots of tomorrow are just lines of code? This video delves into the world of AI-powered aircraft, exploring the benefits and risks of relying on artificial intelligence in the most critical moments of conflict. Welcome to SkyJet Wings, where we dive deep into the latest advancements reshaping our skies. In today's episode, we're entering the future, where artificial intelligence, AI, takes control of the cockpit. What once seemed like science fiction is now becoming reality. From autonomous drones to full-fledged AI-powered fighter jets, AI is revolutionizing military aviation in ways we couldn't have imagined a decade ago. Across the globe, defense agencies and tech giants are working together to develop autonomous aircraft that can fly, fight, and make split-second decisions without a human on board. These systems are not only faster, but also capable of analyzing battlefield data in real time, detecting enemy threats, and executing precision strikes with extreme accuracy. Benefits of AI jets: efficiency and accuracy. Imagine a jet that never gets tired, never panics, and never hesitates. AI-powered aircraft are built to process massive amounts of data in milliseconds, giving them a distinct advantage in high-speed combat situations. From automated navigation and real-time target tracking to autonomous weapon deployment, these jets are programmed to respond faster and more efficiently than any human. In real combat, even milliseconds matter. AI jets can identify and react to enemy movements almost instantly, reducing the risk of human error. They're also ideal for high-risk or long-duration missions where the physical and mental limits of a human pilot could be a liability. As battlefield complexity increases, the need for machines that can support strategic military decisions in real time is more critical than ever. Challenges and concerns, ethical and practical considerations. But it's not all smooth flying. The rise of AI in combat brings with it serious ethical questions and technical concerns. What happens when a machine is given the authority to decide who lives and who dies? Autonomous weapons raise huge concerns about accountability, especially in cases where a wrong decision could result in civilian casualties. There's also the risk of AI systems being hacked, spoofed, or malfunctioning in the middle of a mission, turning advanced weaponry into a national security nightmare. These concerns highlight the need for strict safeguards, transparent testing protocols, and international agreements to regulate the use of AI in warfare. AI must not become a rogue force. It must remain under human control, ethically guided and fully accountable. The human factor. Are pilots still necessary? So, does this mean fighter pilots are becoming obsolete? Not so fast. Human intuition, situational awareness, and moral judgment remain unmatched, even by the most advanced AI. A computer may calculate faster, but it can't yet replicate human decision-making in unpredictable or emotionally complex situations. That's why many experts advocate for a hybrid model, where AI systems act as co-pilots, augmenting human abilities rather than replacing them. In this model, AI handles the data overload, while human pilots focus on strategic thinking and judgment. Moreover, human oversight is essential in training and supervising AI, especially in life and death scenarios. This collaborative approach ensures both peak performance and moral responsibility. Real military AI jet programs in development. Several countries are actively developing AI-integrated military jets and drones. These aren't just concepts, they're already flying. Skyborg, USA. Developed by the U.S. Air Force in collaboration with defense contractors like Boeing and Kratos. Purpose: to create an AI-powered autonomous wingman jet that can fly alongside manned aircraft like the F-22 and F-35. Functions: surveillance, jamming enemy radar, acting as a decoy, or striking targets. XQ-58A Valkyrie, USA. An unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, designed to fly at high subsonic speeds. Built by Kratos, this drone uses AI to execute missions independently, communicate with human pilots, and even make tactical decisions. Okhotnik B, Hunter, Russia. A stealth UCAV developed by Sukhoi designed to operate alongside the Su-57 stealth fighter. Capable of high-speed, autonomous flight, it's being tested for both surveillance and strike capabilities. GJ-11 Sharp Sword China, a flying wing stealth drone revealed during military parades, known for its low radar signature and reportedly uses AI-based navigation and targeting systems. How AI works in fighter jets. Let's break down what an AI jet actually does inside the cockpit. Function: AI, role navigation, autonomous pathfinding, terrain mapping, obstacle avoidance, threat detection, scanning radar data and infrared signatures for enemy aircraft/missiles, target acquisition, identifying and locking targets, even in complex environments, flight stability, adapting to wind, G-forces, and mechanical failures instantly, decision-making, selecting the best strategy, evasion, attack, retreat, communication, coordinating with other AI jets, satellites, and ground forces. The question isn't whether AI will change warfare, it's how we will manage that change. The future of air combat will likely depend on collaboration between human skill and machine intelligence, between national defense and international regulation, and between innovation and ethics. The military battlefield is no longer just land, air, and sea. It's also data, code, and algorithms. The fighter pilot of the future may wear a helmet and flight suit, or sit in a command center directing AI squadrons with a tablet. The question is no longer if AI will take flight, but how far it will go. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start a debate that matters. Subscribe to SkyJet Wings for weekly breakdowns of cutting-edge military tech, global defense news, and the future of flight. Like, share, and help us grow a community that values knowledge, insight, and truth.